I still remember your smile, like sunlight after rain, a quiet spark inside my heart that never felt the same. We talked about forever, like time would always stay, and every little heartbeat was calling out your name. Maybe love begins softly, like a whisper in the night, turning ordinary moments into something bright. You were my first love, my sweetest memory, the dream I carry gently, like waves upon the sea. You were my first love, the story in my heart. No matter where life takes me, your light still leaves a mark. We walked beneath the city lights with hopes we couldn't hide, laughing at the future, standing side by side. Those seasons changed around us, and roads became unknown. Some feelings stay forever, even when we've grown. Time may move like rivers, and years may drift away, but first love leaves an echo that never fades away. You were my first love, my sweetest memory, the dream I carry gently, like waves upon the sea. You were my first love, the story in my heart. No matter where life takes me, your light still leaves a mark. If I could hold one moment, I'd choose those gentle days where love was young and fearless, and nothing felt too late. Though we may be far apart now, I still wish you the best, because first love is a blessing that forever softly rests. You were my first love, a melody so true, the chapter